Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to my channel Learn with Dr. Renu Bharti. In today's video on the comprehensive overview of recruitment, I am Dr. Renu Bharti and I'll be your guide as we explore the vital process of finding the right talent for the organization's success. So, let's get started. Let's start by defining what recruitment truly entails. Recruitment is essentially the lifeblood of any organization, as it's the process through which we find and entice potential candidates to join our workforce. Edwin B. Flippo, a renowned figure in the HR management, aptly described recruitment as the process of searching for candidates for employment and encouraging them to apply for jobs within the organization. Now, let's break this down a bit. When we talk about recruitment, we are not just talking about posting job openings and hoping for the best. It's comprehensive process that involves identifying our staffing needs, actively seeking out suitable candidates, and then persuading them to consider employment with us. In essence, it's about attracting, selecting, and appointing the right people for the right positions, be it on the permanent or the temporary basis. So, when we embark on recruitment efforts, we are not merely filling the vacancies, we are building the foundation for a strong, capable workforce that will derive from our organization forward. That's the essence of the recruitment and its crucial function that we are exploring further today. Now, let's talk about the culmination of recruitment process, that is employee hiring. To put it simply, when we talk about hiring, we are essentially talking about bringing someone on board and paying them to perform specific tasks. It's when a candidate is offered a job and accept it, becoming an official member of our organization. So, what does it mean? When someone is hired, they are not just being bought in to fill a vacancy. They are being entrusted with responsibilities and tasks that contribute to the overall goal of the organization. It's significant moment both for the individual being hired for us as an organization. Typically, it's the recruiter or the hiring manager who oversees this process. They are the ones who evaluate the candidates, conduct the interviews, and ultimately makes the decision to extend a job offer. Now, once a candidate accepts the job offer, they become part of the team. They sign an employment contract outlining their role, responsibilities, and compensation package, and they officially join our workforce. So, in essence, employee hiring is the tangible outcome of all the hard work that goes into the recruitment process. It's about bringing in the right people who will contribute to the organization's success and growth. Now comes the features of recruitment. Firstly, recruitment is a continuous process. What does that mean? Well, simply put, it never stops. It is a continuous process. Organizations are constantly evolving, and with that evolution comes the need of a new talent. Whether it's due to the growth, the turnover, or changes in the market, there always a demand for fresh faces to join the team. Next is a recruitment is a multifaceted. It's not just about posting a job ad and calling it a day. No, it's involve a whole array of activities from analyzing the job requirements and sourcing candidates to screening resumes, conducting interviews, and ultimately selecting the best fit for the position. It's like a puzzle with many pieces, and each piece may plays a crucial role in finding the right candidates. Now, let's talk about the strategic aspect of recruitment. Effective recruitment isn't just about filling the vacancies. It's about doing so in a way that aligns with the organization's strategic goals and objectives. We are not just looking for warm bodies to fill the seats. We are looking for individuals who can drive our organization forward, who share our values and vision for the future. Lastly, recruitment is a two-way process. What does that mean? Well, it's not just about evaluating the candidates, it's also about candidates evaluating us, the company. It's about finding the best fit for both the parties involved. We want candidates who are not only qualified for the job but also excited about the opportunity to join our organization. It's a mutual exchange where both the organization and the candidate aims to find a match that benefits everyone involved. Now, the objectives of recruitment. First and the foremost, one of the primary objective of recruitment is to attract a pool of qualified candidates. This means casting our net wide and reaching out to the individuals who possess the skills, experience, and qualification necessary to excel in the roles who are looking to fill. By attracting a diverse pool of qualified candidates, we increase our chances of finding the best fit for the position. Next is recruitment plays a crucial role in assuring a diverse workforce. Diversity isn't just a buzzword. It's key driver of innovation, creativity, and success within the organization. By actively seeking out candidates from different backgrounds, experience, and perspectives, we create more inclusive and dynamic work environment where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Another important objective of recruitment is to fill the vacancies promptly to minimize the disruptions. Obviously, vacancies can have a significant impact on the productivity, the morale, and overall organization effectiveness. Therefore, it's essential to fill these vacancies as quickly as possible to ensure continuity and stability within the organization. Furthermore, recruitment aims to enhance organization effectiveness and competitiveness. The people we bring into the organization and more than just the employees. They are the driving force behind our success. By recruiting talented individuals who are aligned with our goals and values, we strengthen our workforce and position ourselves for long term growth and success. Additionally, by attracting the top talent, we enhance our competitive edge in the marketplace, enabling us to stay ahead of the curve and outperform our competitors. So, these are the objectives of the recruitment, that is to attract the qualified candidates, to foster the diversity, to minimize the disruptions, and enhance the organization effectiveness and competitiveness. Now comes the methods of recruitment. We have two types of methods. First one is internal methods and second one is external methods. As the name suggests, internal methods are those which comes from the internal sources of the organization, and externals are those which comes from the external sources. Internal ones are the transfers, the promotions, upgrading, demotion. ऑब्वियसली ये सारी जो चीजें होती हैं ये कंपनी के अंदर होती हैं. किसी का भी ट्रांसफर कर दिया वन लोकेशन टू अनदर लोकेशन, प्रमोशन फ्रॉम वन पोस्ट टू अनदर, अपग्रेडिंग, demotion, retired employees. This is this is all taking place within the organization. Dependent and relatives of deceased employees. एक्सटर्नल वैकेंसीज कौन सी होती हैं? जो हमें प्रेस एडवर्टाइजमेंट से, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट से फिल होती हैं, प्लेसमेंट एजेंसीज के थ्रू, आउटसोर्सिंग के थ्रू फिल करी जाती हैं, एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंजेस के थ्रू, लेबर कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स के थ्रू, अनसोलिसिटेड एप्लीकेंट्स, employee referrals, and recruitment at the factory grade. These all are external vacancies that take place outside the organization. Now comes factors that affect the recruitment process. Firstly, labor market conditions play a significant role in recruitment. The availability of qualified candidates in the job market can vary depending upon the factors such as industry needs, economic conditions, and demographic shift. In a competitive job market with the scarcity of skilled talent, recruitment efforts may need to be more proactive and targeted to the right candidates. Next is organization image. This is also crucial in influencing the attractiveness of our organization to the potential candidates. Third one is government regulations. This also impact the recruitment practices, legal requirements related to the equal employment opportunity, non-discrimination, and the labor laws, which must be adhered to throughout the recruitment process. And moreover, the technological advancement, the use of technology such as applicant tracking system, online job boards, social media platforms, and the video interviews has streamlined and enhanced recruitment practices. So the various factors including the labor market conditions, organizational image, government regulation, and technological advancement, these play a significant role in the recruitment processes overall. Now, the recent trends and approaches. Firstly, digital recruitment has transformed the way we approach candidate sourcing and selection. By leveraging online platforms like social media, artificial intelligence, organizations can reach a wider pool of candidates, streamline the application process, and identify the most qualified individuals more efficiently. Next is employer branding that has emerged as a critical component of recruitment strategies. Building a positive employer brand help organizations stand out from the competition and attract top talent. Third one is diversity and inclusion. This also become key priorities in the recruitment efforts. Organizations are increasingly recognizing the importance of creating diverse and inclusive workplace that reflect the communities they serve. And finally, the remote hiring that has become more prevalent in response to the rise of the remote work and virtual collaborations. Now, the recruitment process, the most important part of recruitment, the first and the foremost, we begin with preparing. This involves conducting a job analysis to understand the requirements of the position and crafting a comprehensive job description that outlines the responsibilities, qualification, and the skills needed for the role. This step lays the foundation for our recruitment efforts by clearly defining what we are looking for in the candidate. Next is the second step, we move on to the sourcing and attracting the candidates. This involves reaching out to the potential candidates through various channels such as job posting, online platforms, recruitment agencies, and the employee referrals. Once we attracted candidates, next step is screening and shortlisting. This is the third step. This involves reviewing resumes, cover letters, and application to identify candidates who meet the minimum qualification for the role. We assess candidates based on their skills, the experience, and the fit with the organization culture and values, narrowing down the pool to the most promising candidate. After shortlisting candidates, we move on to the interviewing and the selection stage. This is where we engage with the candidates through interviews, assessment, and possibly additional evaluations such as skill test or presentations. Once we identify the top candidate, we extend a job offer. This involves presenting the candidate with the formal offer of employment, including details such as salary, benefits, and start date. We negotiate terms as needed and the aim to ensure a smooth transition for the candidate as they prepare to join our organization. And the last one, finally, sixth step, we have onboarding, which is the process of integrating the new employee into the organization. This involves providing them with the necessary information, the resources, the support to assimilate to their new roles and through productive members of our team. Effective onboarding sets the stage for the positive employee experience and lays the groundwork for the long term success. These are the steps for the recruitment process. Now comes the importance of recruitment. First and the foremost, We have recruitment that plays a crucial role in contributing to the organization growth and competitiveness. By attracting top talent and building a skilled workforce, we can derive innovation, adapt to changing market condition, and seize the new opportunities. Next is recruitment is essential for employee engagement and retention. When we invest in recruiting the right people who was aligned with our values and vision, we create a sense of purpose and belonging within the organization. And furthermore, recruitment directly impacts the productivity and the performance. The quality of our workforce has a direct correlation with the quality of our output. By recruiting individuals who possess the skills, the knowledge, the experience needed to excel in the roles, we can derive higher level of performance and achieve better results. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन वीडियो में लास्ट तक बने रहने के लिए इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू दिस वीडियो kindly message in the comment section or message box. Till then, happy learning. If you are seeing the video for the first time, kindly subscribe. Thank you.